Hello guys! Today we're going to see how to build a landing page for almost free using WordPress and Thrive Architect plugin. Now you may ask, why almost free? Well, Thrive Architect is not a free plugin, so you have to either buy a single license with a one-time payment of $67, or you can choose to get a subscription for $19 per month if you're going to be using other products from Thrive. Among those are some very useful marketing plugins like Thrive Leads, Thrive Optimize and Thrive Ultimatum. I'll be making a review of all those plugins later, so don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and like this video so I will know that I should continue with Thrive reviews. In this video we'll be reviewing the Thrive Architect plugin for WordPress. This plugin makes it easy to create a beautiful landing page in under 5 or 10 minutes. The best part is, you don't need any coding skills at all. This landing page builder is a simple drag and drop visual editor with lots of elements. All the pages that you're going to build with it are going to be desktop, mobile and tablet friendly. Thrive Architect lets you define a custom layout for mobile, desktop and tablet device. The built-in templates, as well as the pages that you're going to build from scratch, are all going to be mobile friendly and responsive. Now let's see how we can build a landing page similar to the one that you are seeing on the screen right now. First, you need to make sure that you have a Thrive Architect installed and activated. You can do this either via the plugins page. As you can see, the Thrive Architect is installed and activated here. Or you can go into Dashboard, the Thrive Dashboard, and you can see all the Thrive plugins installed here, and among them we have the Thrive Architect. As you can see, I have the Thrive Architect plugin installed and activated everywhere in my site. So now, in order to create a new landing page, we need to create a WordPress page as usual. Let's go to Pages section and select Add New. We're going to need a title for this page. Let's name it simply Thrive landing page. Now we'll just have to click the Save Draft. And to start editing the page, we will need to click the Launch Thrive Architect button. Now, as the editor is open, we will have to choose to either build the page from scratch or use a pre-built landing page. Obviously, you can always start building the page from scratch. But unless you have a prior experience with Thrive Architect, this will require some time. So for now we'll just choose a pre-built landing page template. Let's click this button here and we have a template selection. For this video I will choose one of the legacy landing pages for simplicity. And I will choose, let's scroll down, I will choose this template that is called Copy and it contains 3 pages. Let's click Expand and choose this template. Click Apply Template button. As soon as the template is loaded, we can start editing by changing the title, something like that, changing the description, I am just putting some random text here. Okay, and now I think we might want to add some email sign up form. And for that we will have to go to Add Element. And now the toolbox is open and you have a lot of elements to choose from. And I just want some form. Okay, so it's called lead generation. Let's insert this form here. This is going to be a simple form with the name and email. And also, if you're using one of the email marketing providers like Aweber, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, MailChimp or whatever, You can connect this form to that provider straight away by clicking the Add Connection button here while the form is selected. And you will have to choose the email. Now you will have to also create a connection via the API of your email marketing provider. You'll just have to click Add New Connection and select the app that you're using. This can be MailChimp, MailPoet, SendGrid, SendBlue, whatever. They have all the popular providers here in this list. Now we're not going to be doing this, we're just going to go back and continue editing our page. Let's just click back to dashboard, and we will have to go to pages again and open this Thrive landing page and edit it with Thrive Architect. So you can add or remove different items here if you choose this toolbox on the right. Let's try and add some progress bars. Now let's add some more elements, and maybe this time I will add a button. And you can change the text for this button so it becomes more red. Also, you can choose what happens when the customer clicks this button. If you go to main options, you can choose the target URL, something like that. You can choose the typography, change the font and font size, something like this. Arial black. So basically this behaves very similar to any graphical element. You have full control of the text, the style, the size of the text, the color. You can move these items around. If you choose this block and you click this cross, you can move this text to the bottom here. You can also add additional headers if you go to Toolbox, this cross button. You can add additional, you can add a header here. And you need to change this text from paragraph to a heading. Let's change this to heading 2. And let's edit this text. As you can see, it's easy to create the header, and also you can align the text easily by clicking this center button here. And you can add a lot of other elements, like maybe some tables. You can choose the style of the table. Let's add something else, the guarantee box. You can choose from different styles of guarantee box. Let's choose this one, 30-day money back guarantee. And maybe let's add something else. Like star rating here. I think it's better to put it somewhere below this text. Now it looks much better. Okay, so basically that's it for this simple landing page building tutorial. Now what we have to do is we have to save the work by clicking this save work button. And we can also preview it. If we choose this menu here, we can either save and preview it, or we can save and return to post editor. But now I will go to save and preview. The preview mode is when the page that you are building is not published yet. As you can see, we have all the elements added and they are actually dynamic. If I refresh this page, you can see the progresses are being filled in. Okay, now we want to publish this page. Let's go to Edit Page and select Publish button. and click publish. Now the page is published and it's live, and we can open it, and this page now has the public link, so anyone can visit it, anyone who has access to this site. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this short review and tutorial of Thrive Architect, and if you have some questions, kindly add them in the comments below. I will try to answer them when I can. By the way, if you like Thrive Architect or other Thrive products and going to purchase one of them or get a subscription, I would appreciate if you use my link in the description down below. I'm going to receive a small commission at no cost to you, but this will help me to continue creating my videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where I will be reviewing other plugins from Thrive.